Hello. Today we're gonna demo our hackathon project, Guardian Grid SF, for the National Security Hackathon 2025. So we are focusing on the smart city category in cases where national emergencies or weather emergencies happen, causing the need for people to evacuate their city immediately. So the way our tool works is this. Let's say a disaster happens. In this case, let's say an asteroid hit San Francisco, as seen here. The admin would mark where that asteroid hit, in this case, and this is the danger zone. Then they have to mark a safe zone. So let's say anywhere here is safe. And from there, we have an algorithm where, given a person's location, it finds the safest route they can take by driving to that safe zone. And the way this would work from the population standpoint is, after the admin has marked the danger zones and the safe zones, we can hit this send alert, which would send an Amber Alert to everyone. In this case, we can't really do that right now for this hackathon. So for now, it actually sent a text message, as seen here. And with this text message, it takes them to a link that takes them to this page right here. And what this page does is it grabs their current location and it analyzes the safest route they can take to avoid that disaster, that danger zones that we just marked as an admin. We can actually open up the link right here, and it gives you a quick little link right here, okay? So now they can use Google Maps to take them to their desired destination. And this actually updates in real time. So if I want, let's say another disaster happened. So in this case, a massive flood comes in and this entire area is broken. What I can do is I can resend this alert right here. And as you can see, I got another text message updating their link and allowing them to have a different route, a different possible exit. So in this case, we can, save the zone right here, send them the alert. The alert comes in from them. It's got a text message right here. And we can open up this link and it gives them a safe path to that destination. And all of this updates in real time. And we can even do cases where we can add up more danger zones, we can add more safe zones, etc., and we can send these alerts. In this case, we're just showing an example of a possible path. When the user actually gets this text message with the link, it grabs their current location and then figures out what path they can take for their safe zone. So in this case, we marked the safe zone around this entire area right here. So we are currently located right here in this area, and it's taking us here. So yeah, and the goal with this project is later on in the future is to gather more data outside of just GPS data and traffic data, but also gather maybe satellite data, additional data, maybe have multiple people of influence mark danger zones and safe zones in real time, have a community-led thing as well, have national security mark areas as well, to ultimately allow people to safely and quickly evacuate. We didn't have time to finish this in the hackathon, but we were also working on an algorithm to make efficient routes that don't stress the roads that people can take, because usually people take the same road when they use Google Maps or something, and in this case we would find routes that do the same thing but aren't as congested with traffic by finding optimal routes, by keeping track of who's on those routes, etc. So yeah, this is our hackathon project. Dylan, is there anything else?
I think that's good for now.
Yeah, and I think that's it. Yeah, thank you.